How do I handle the DMV for Senior 22 car insurance? Imagine you're ready to get back on the road after a driving problem, but the DMV has a few steps for you to follow first. If you're a Latino driver in America needing Senior 22 insurance, understanding this process can make it much easier. Let's walk through what you need to do. First, it's important to know that Senior 22 is not a type of insurance. It's a certificate, called a Certificate of Financial Responsibility, that proves to the state's Department of Motor Vehicles that you have the minimum required car insurance. You usually need in Senior 22 if you've had serious issues like a DUI, driving without insurance, or multiple tickets. Sometimes, your license was suspended or revoked, and the DMV requires proof of insurance to lift that suspension. When the DMV tells you that you need in Senior 22, they usually send a letter or include it in a court order. If you're unsure, call your local DMV office to confirm. Ignoring this can lead to more fines or your license staying suspended longer. It's best to act quickly. Next, contact your car insurance company. Not all insurance companies offer Senior 22 filings, so if yours doesn't, you'll need to find one that does. Many insurance agents who work with Latino communities can help you find a company that can file the Senior 22 for you. When you call, explain your situation clearly and ask if they can handle the Senior 22 filing. There is often a small fee, usually around $20 to $50, for this service. Keep in mind, your insurance rates might go up because in Senior 22 indicates you are a higher risk driver. If you don't own a car but still need to drive, you can get a non-owner Senior 22 policy. This type of policy covers you when you drive cars you don't own. If you buy a car later, you will need to switch to a regular car insurance policy that includes the Senior 22. Once your insurance company files the Senior 22 with the DMV, the state will review your case. After everything is approved, you can pay any reinstatement fees, which are usually around $50 to $100, and get your driver's license back. It's very important to keep your insurance active at all times. If you cancel your policy or miss a payment, your insurance company must notify the DMV, and your license could be suspended again. Most states requiring you to keep the Senior 22 for 2 to 3 years, but this can vary depending on your situation. Check with your local DMV to find out exactly how long you need to maintain the Senior 22. When that time is over, contact your insurance provider to remove the Senior 22 from your policy. After that, you might find cheaper insurance options. For many Latino families, language can be a concern when dealing with government offices. Remember, the DMV's job is to process your paperwork, not ask about your immigration status. Many DMV offices have bilingual staff or offer materials in Spanish. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Here are some tips to make the process easier. Keep all your paperwork, including your Senior 22 filing receipt and insurance cards, in a safe place. Set reminders for your insurance payments so your coverage doesn't lapse. If you move to another state, check the new state's rules because some states do not requiring Senior 22 filings. If you're unsure about any step, reach out to a community organization or an insurance agent familiar with Latino drivers' needs. Handling the DMV for Senior 22 insurance might seem complicated at first, but following these steps and asking for help when needed can make it much smoother. Staying on top of your insurance and paperwork helps you get back to driving legally and keeps you and your family safe on the road.